Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's December 12th, 2017, and we got actually 4 of them in the sky at the same time. Don't have a tripod, but I do. Get that one. We got one down below here. Let me see. Yeah. Got him. We go over here. We got another one here. And then one way off in the distance over there. See if I can find him. Oh, there he is. Look at this pecker bite. That's a freaky looking one. One of those kind where you can barely see any plane at all, if you can. And just tons of filth coming out of it. Look at that, like a meteorite or something. Sorry about the no tripod here. I'm going home to get one. But this is just creepy. You know? They're just racing through the sky like this. Poisoning everything. Alright. Just wanted to share you this and hopefully it'll wake people up. You know, don't be fooled by the short trails, by the way. A lot of people go, oh, those are contrails because they're short. No, they're not. Been watching them a long time. They leave a ton of filth behind. You can see it. And they never shut it off. It just stays short like that. So any contrail would just cut off after maybe 20 seconds, if that. But these just continue, leave that layer of filth all over our skies. So just be aware of that. I'll talk to you soon.